I'm Ira Maurer, founder of the Maurer Law Firm. I'd like to take a moment to talk to you about how do you select an attorney to represent you when you've been seriously injured. To explain that, it's important to understand a little bit about the legal business. Marketing a law firm is really not much different than marketing most other businesses. In the old days, lawyers used to belong to the Kiwanis Club or the Knights of Columbus, or they'd put an ad in the Yellow Pages. Today, the internet has replaced most of that, and it's necessary to project yourself in a way that gives people an understanding of who you are and what you have to offer and why you're different than other people. Yeah. I always tell people when they come in for an initial consultation, which all personal injury lawyers will provide free of charge, that they will have an opportunity to get to know me much better after they spend a few hours with me. And I tell them to plan on spending 2 or 3 hours because I will not rush the initial consultation. During that time, I gather as much information as I can about a case. I educate my prospective clients about the medical issues that are relevant to their personal injury. Most people tell me that in the span of 2 or 3 hours, I end up explaining far more than all of their treating doctors combined, and that's an unfortunate reality. But doctors tend not to want to spend too much time explaining medicine, and they'd rather spend their time treating patients. And I understand that, but that leaves people uninformed and frightened because they don't understand what's going on. I also will spend a lot of time evaluating the legal issues and explaining how the personal injury process works. In every personal injury case, there are 2 parts to the lawsuit. The first part is the liability issues. In other words, did the prospective defendant or defendants violate a legal duty, and were they negligent in failing to live up to their legal obligations? And the second part is what medical damages and economic damages they suffered as a result of that negligence. Sometimes there are other statutes that come into play where negligence is not the standard, but rather did they violate a specific statute or a specific regulation. But most cases have to do strictly with a negligence determination. So once we've had a chance to sit for several hours, prospective clients have the chance to feel either comfort or discomfort with the attorney, and I find that most people are very appreciative of having that much time set aside for them. I take the needs of prospective clients and my clients very seriously, and I will spend as much time as I can and as is necessary to make each and every client feel that their case is the most important case to me, because it is. I treat every case the same. No case is worth less. If I take it, it's because I believe in it, and I believe in my client, and I am only going to do one job, and that's the very best job that I can do. So if you don't come away from the initial consult with an attorney feeling comfortable and secure, then you should look elsewhere. Here at the Maurer Law Firm, we take our work very seriously. We take it personally.